Let's deal with this topic on the board, number-based system. And we are going to look at conversion from base 10 to other base. An example we are going to deal with, convert 25 in base 10 to base 6. Anytime you are given this type of question and this base is 10, and this one can be other base like 2, 3, 4, all you need to do is successful dividing and recording the remainder. In this method, we are going to apply what I call DMXR. And how do we do that? We're going to roll a line like this. We have something like this too. Here, since we are asked to convert 25 base 10 to base 6, this 6 will be here. Alright, the 25 will be here, and this one will serve as our remainder. I'll roll something like this. I'll put some box here. The reason I'm doing this so that beginners will be able to understand what I'm going to do. Then, since I was told to convert 25 base 10 to base 6, I'm going to divide 25 divided by 6. 25 divided by 6 is going to give me 4.16666. I don't have any business with this. I'll pick this number 4. I'll put it here. Alright. Now, I'll now write it. That means I've already divided. By saying 25 divided by 6, I've already used D. This stands for division. The next is multiply, which is M. I'm going to say what 6 times 4 will give me 24. I've already multiplied. The next, I'm going to subtract. I'll say what 25 minus 24 will give me 1. So my remainder, which is record, is already 1. Then I'll go further again by saying 4 divided by 6. 4 divided by 6 is going to give me 0.666. I don't have business with it. I'll pick this 0. I'll put it here. So the next thing, I'll still use it. That means I've already divided for the second time. And I'll say 6 times 0 will give me 0. I've already multiplied. The next, I'll subtract. I'll say what 4 minus 0 is equals to what 4. Now, when I'm going to record my answer, I'll record from the bottom to the top. So in doing that, I'll now have 25 in base 10 is equals to what? 41 in what? In base what? 6. Now, the reason why I'm applying this DMXR is because students used to confuse when it comes to what this 4 and 1. But when you are dividing, when the last number that is here is smaller than the number that is here, all you need to do is just drop the number that is there. So this is the place that normally gives children problem. Then automatically our answer is equals to C. Until I come your way again in online revision with my Tyrod.